So we bought a boat. Yay. Anything else you need while I'm down here?
Nope.
We're Jeff and Julie Reddy. We've always lived a nomadic lifestyle. Married nearly 28 years ago with 4 children and multiple grandkids, we finally settled down on the Emerald Coast of Florida. But after I was diagnosed with stage 4 cancer in 2020, we knew the only way to fight it was to live life and live it to the fullest. Sportscaster Stuart Scott once said, "When you die, that does not mean that you lose to cancer. You beat cancer by how you live, why you live, and in the manner in which you live." So join us as we check off our bucket list, one adventure at a time, because life is just a story, and it's up to us to make it a great one. So we bought a boat. Finally, after many years. And we bought an O'Day 28-foot sailboat. And we are going to rename her. And she will be named Kaya, which there's a couple different meanings, but it means restful place. And we got her in Pensacola. So we've been driving up here for 2 weeks now, getting everything ready so that we can take her back home to Panama City Beach. About 100 nautical miles. I think it's like 92 or something. And we spent last weekend on her. It's the perfect size for Jules to learn on. And she slept good last weekend on the boat. Slept like a baby. Don't be so quiet over there.
I'll let you do the talking.
Okay. Other than that, that's it. Did some work today. We'll put that up here on the video as well. Asta.
Bye.
Julie working hard. Clean, clean, clean.
Baby. What you doing?
Trying to figure out which line's which. So I can raise this main boom up. And I'm gonna figure it out right now. Alright, that's our sail. Outside is I may need to actually winch it up. Oh, this is probably too tight. Some slack.
forget to lock it. That's what she said.
There we go. Good here. Heading up to the boat again. This time I got this guy with me to help. Even though I had to work late last night, get up early this morning, and then sleeping with his blankie. And we just stopped at Starbucks so we could get some coffee before we finish this 2.5 hour drive. Sure you didn't miss a spot? How you feel about all this now, Jaden? Yeah, except you can't take a condo on a trip.
No, yeah.
That's, you know.
Condo's also enough ride back and forth.
All right. It's looking a lot better though. Try not to fall in.
Really pretty underneath.
Is it?
Just here, like, yep.
And if you're wondering, yes, I attached a transponder to a 2x2 to attach to the transom mount. And yes, I know it's not the correct way, but I needed something temporary to just give us depth so that we could get the boat home. Once we get the boat home, we'll install it properly, but this was just a quick temporary fix. Some redneck ingenuity. And I'm pretty sure Jules only recorded this just in case I fell in. Good. She should be submerged enough. Now we can test her. Make sure. We've got depth reading. Yay. Anything else you need while I'm down here?
Nope.
Actually, I probably need to lift this up. Just to bring back up. Probably slap the shit out of me. Slap the crap out of me, excuse my language. I expected that to spring up, kick my butt. I don't think I measured this, and we have plenty enough. It drops the motor in deep enough, no problem. I just don't think we had it down all the way last time. Hey, look, I didn't even need to get the wetsuit on. Even though I brought it. Now, Garmin in here and turn on the accessory button over there. There we go. Now we're working properly, other than getting that orientation. And we have depth. She's reading correct. Hi, baby. Alarm's working on her.